Jing at pelung kintim yali, jing shakri klem shakti, hakat ling dien jar ushya, ka gospel banyala. Unang piyong siya inukasi, kabukas mo
over on this side. You can see someone's car was left here, right there, just completely gone as well. These homes just destroyed so fast when those winds came through. You can see those the fire still burning a little bit in the back. This is his home here on Lincoln, not touched. And I think what's so incredible about it, look, he has his Jesus and his Virgin Mary out here, possibly what protected his home here. I mean, Jose, your home not touched, but your neighbors completely gone. You're sitting here just looking at them. What are you thinking?
Oh, I don't know, but it was terrible.
Terrible. So you, Jose, you actually helped try to save your neighbors' homes. Tell me about that.
I saved my house and I saved three other houses of my neighbor.
How are you feeling that your house is still standing?
I feel so happy because that's something impossible. What I see everything I can do, I see something impossible like this in my house.
This could have been your home, but